This tutorial is going to go over how you can leverage your value as a credit department, and most importantly, how you can improve the perceptions of your credit team. So the learning objectives for today is, first of all, you have to understand the value that your department brings to the company. We're going to be talking about that in some detail. And you also have to understand what drives the current perceptions of your department. And you have to be quite honest with yourself to really evaluate that. And then we're going to talk about ideas that you can incorporate into kind of an action plan to manage the perceptions of your department and hopefully turn it into a perception of pro sales. So I got to ask the question, and I want you to think about this. What tangible value does your department deliver to the company? Think about it. Now, here's kind of a self-examination, and I want you to really think about these things and maybe write down some responses. What is the simple, compelling need for your department and your company? Is it that you collect money? Or are there more aspects to why there is a compelling need for your department? Does your department address the overall strategies of your company? Maybe your company is in a growth mode. Maybe your company is offloading product that's end of life. Maybe your company is expanding into new geographies. Or maybe your company is duking it out with some competitors and they want to be extremely competitive in terms of credit policies and such. What are the strategies of your company? Are your targets and objectives in line with your company priorities? Are you being too restrictive on your credit approvals? Are you not paying attention to things that are impacting your customer service, such as errors on orders or invoicing or deduction practices? So are your objectives really addressing the company's priorities for customer service, growth, etc.? Do you communicate a compelling return on the investment for your function? You know, your CFO is looking at his budget or her budget, and they're seeing an amount for your department. And a lot of times it's perceived as a cost center, but it's not a cost center. There's really a return on the investment in your company. Are you really communicating what that return is? And we'll talk about that a little bit. Do you help identify issues and improve processes that are broken down, causing errors and reworks, issues with sales because there's customer complaints or delays? Are you identifying those issues? Are you helping? Are you in front of the parade, helping to improve those broken things? Is your department perceived as an ally by sales, or is sales perceiving your department in a negative way? Really think about these things and see how you line up with these questions.